Hey guys, and it's time for the full review of official Android 9.0 Pie on the Zenfone Max Pro M2. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install official Pie manually. And we will talk about the changes Asus has done and Google has done in the latest software. So before starting, would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button, cause that would really help me a lot. So first off, how you can manually install it. So this thing was posted by someone on XGA, and I think it's official OTA firmware from Asus. So there is no need to unlock the bootloader. All you need to do is download the OTA file and place it in your internal storage. You'll get a prompt that software package detected, and yeah, just click on install. It's as simple as that. And I really appreciate this type of software update system by Asus. I think it's simple and easy to understand, unlike what Xiaomi do. So now let's talk about the changes. The booting speed is now a tiny bit faster. Not a huge difference, I would say, but there's definitely a difference. Okay, so there's the lock screen. Next we have the home screen, nothing new here. You are getting the same launcher, and things can change by the final OTA. I mean, when Asus will start pushing the OTA update, the user interface can be a slight different from what I'm using right now. Moving on, here's the quick setting panel, and there comes the major change. We have the new user interface, and I really like this dark theme. You can enable this thing from the settings, and along with the new quick setting panel, there comes the new power menu, which is also having the same dark theme, and the new volume options, which looks nice. It's handy near the power button and volume rocker. There we have the applications, nothing new here. Everything is same as Oreo, and there's no modifications from Asus. It's pure stock Android Pie, and that's impressive. For stock Android lovers, there's no bloatwares or adwares like Xiaomi. From now on, I will use the launcher, which is a really good launcher. Now let's take a look at the settings, and again a huge interface change. It's colorful, has new icons. A slight disappointing part is that Asus has not even added the Pie gesture support. I mean, I was really looking forward to this, but Asus has not added this. However, as I said, things may change with the final OTA, so we may see the full screen gesture support in the future. Here's the new build number, and it is having not so latest January 2019 security patch. There we have the Android 9.0 Pie Easter egg, which looks nice as always. Now the biggest improvement is that now we have application wise full screen support. Previously the applications were not going full screen, but now you can see it's along with the notch, and that's great. Next up, the animations and speed is improved. I've seen a major boost in terms of animation and performance. This thing is speedy, and the battery life is same, no difference at all. I've used this thing almost a day and there is no difference at all, guys. So official OTA Android 9.0 Pie for the Zenfone Max Pro M2, and I hope with the final OTA Asus will add lots of new features like gesture support and digital well-being, new resends. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.